All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at two caps, two canine teeth caps. These are 925 sterling silver. They do go on the canine teeth left and right, and they do have, as you can see, the back bar there connecting the two caps together. And it is custom fitted from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so it's a perfect fit. Check that out. It's beautiful, real 925 sterling silver teeth caps. You can do it for the top or the bottom teeth, your choice. Beautiful handmade work, guys. It's made by hand. Real silver. Check us out, blinkcartel.com, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.